Assalamualaikum everyone, welcome to Easy to Make. Today video is about heart cushion making, so let's start the video. The main thing regarding your cushion making is fabric. Here I am using velvet. Fold the fabric in half. Try making your desired heart shape first on newspaper and then use it as a template over the fabric. Pin it over the fabric to fix it properly and cut. As well as the template. Here you get two heart shapes. Now take another piece of fabric, cut in long strips. Circular object, copy it on the fabric and cut to get small circles. Like this. Lot of circles are needed. Next step is to secure all the circles. These circles will be transformed in petals afterwards. Now take a circle, fold it in half, then fold again from one side as I am showing you people. Now put it upside down and see the petal using needle and thread. Tie the knot and cut. After cutting, unfold the petal and you are done. Repeat the same procedure for all the petals. I have tried making it clearer for you people to see petals formation by reaching as near the camera as I can. No hard rules for making them, it's so easy. Transform all the circles in petals. About half an inch for seeing purpose on heart shapes. Mark it for your easiness and both the wrong and the right side as well. Now it's time to cover up the heart with petals. Take a petal and put it over the right side of heart and see below it. You can feel the tip of petals easily. Attach it from that point with the help of needle and thread. I recommend to first cover the boundary and then fill in the petals. Fix the petals without leaving space. It is not possible to show each and every petal attachment in video, so here you go with the pictures. I know it's a time-consuming procedure, but the results are simply awesome. This is what it looks from the wrong side. Pin both the hearts together for seeing purpose while leaving some space open as shown. I have marked from there. After complete sewing, turn the right side outwards. whatever stuff you are having, as I have foam to fill in. And then close the opening area by using needle and thread, and you are done. Rosy red velvet heart cushion is ready. If you like my video, then please like, comment, share, and don't forget to subscribe. Good luck for your making.